test theme 4 and 5, including the review and applied. So this is one lecture and this is another one. And for each theme, I'm pretty sure 4 modules. Let's do the math. So I have to watch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 modules. These are about an hour each. And since it's usually you watch 2 and then there's 1 lecture, but it's basically 2. So I'm really bad at math. Let's say 8, right? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have to watch 16 modules, and I have today, tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a 7. Let's check. Yeah, 7 to 8:30. So I basically have, it's already 5. It's almost 6, which is actually enough time. Yeah, so I basically have 1, 2, 3. Let's say this, like, today and April 1st, that's like a day. So I have basically like 3 days to get ready for this exam. This is a really bad angle, but I just watched 2 modules and 2 lectures, and I still have to go. Let's watch. By the way, I took a nap at 17, and I just finished watching this on 2 times speed, obviously. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to Sue's. She invited me for breakfast, so I'm going to her. And after that, I'm gonna go to my sister's. Apparently the blizzards are only $1 for 6 hours, so we're gonna get that. And I'm gonna go study afterwards. I'm gonna come to clothes. Come along with me. 그건 싫어. Say cheese. Wait, I'm home after going to Costco and DQ, and I'm gonna take a nap. I'm going home. My sister got me a bubble tea, and it is really foggy. It's really pretty though. It's not scary because I know nothing will happen, and I know there's a cat. This bubble tea is so good. Apparently it's like almost 12 stuff. It is 12:30 and I just finished playing a little bit of Osu. And also I finished 4 more lectures. Not really, like I just watched like a short review lecture and also applied lecture for 4 modules, and it's like 2 each. So basically I had to watch 4, but I should have watched 8, but it should be whatever. I couldn't understand everything, not really. It's kind of review from grade 12. I'm gonna go wash my face, brush my teeth, and get ready for bed. I'm gonna do a little bit of Quizlet and I'm gonna go to bed. Hey guys! Why is it gray? I don't watch my phone that much. I went through 3 Quizlets and I'm gonna go home. While she cooks, I'm gonna study more. I'm gonna finish a theme. And after I eat, I'm gonna finish another one and I should be done. Okay, bye! Today is April 2nd. I don't know where to look every time I actually film a YouTube video. Hold on. Maybe this is better. I don't like it also, but whatever. I'm gonna go get my postcard and I will still have to do my lab report and I also have to do some physics, so let me take you along. It is called I woke up really late. Get ready. Okay, I just got ready. I don't know what it is about my makeup tip. I absolutely hate it so much. I don't know what's wrong with that, but I don't like it at all.